This is a courtesy call for customers of internet and streaming services. Right now we're running a special offer. Press 1 to give your financial information to a complete stranger.
Whenever it may happen that I hear that certain sound, I kind of get the gist. That by some means or another my phone number's gone around. And now I'm on the list. Yes, now I'm on the list of some auto-dialing robot who'll be calling every day to offer better service or reduce the rates I pay, or ask me if I've made a purchase, please to verify, or check up on my real estate, they're very keen to buy. And though I'm pressing buttons that should make them all desist, I'm still upon the list and never will be missed. There are Medicare consultants who on my behalf would strive. They've got me on the list. Oh yes, I'm on the list, even though I keep reminding them I'm not yet 65. But still they do persist. They're sure I'm never missed. There's the quick 5-minute survey that can take a half an hour. The companies that want to hook me up to solar power. The ones intent on selling me extended warranties, or filing compensation claims for various injuries. And debt collectors who on reaching Tiffany insist. They've got me on the list. They're sure I'm never missed. There's the eager roof inspector who'll be in my neighborhood. Although the hailstorm missed, I'm still upon the list. And those calls that come in languages I've never understood. Why am I on that list? I think somebody missed. And those offers from that hotel where I stayed 6 years ago. They say this is my final chance, if only that were so. And the telecom pretenders who it rather seems to me, if they were honest, wouldn't always block my call ID. But since the FTC can do so little to assist, I'm stuck upon the list and never will be missed.